I've been working on it for a few days, and I've got a big update from my 3D printable keyboard switch. Beam springs. I've decided to add a tactile function here. So instead of just being a linear switch, we've also got a beam spring. You see that? That's a TPU beam spring, so it should last forever. Now I'm still working on the calculations in OpenSCAD. See how wobbly that is? That's because there's too much of a distance between the top of the spring and where the beam spring is holding onto it. So there's basically this void space there when it really should be pre-tensioned. But that's easy enough. I just gotta do a little bit better math. I made a mistake somewhere, but it feels good. It feels really good. It's a little too hard of a press, but you can hear it's definitely buckling the way it's supposed to, and it's not continuing. It's getting cut off. Oh, I got it stuck somehow. But yeah, it's supposed to continue all the way through and form a curve on the other side, and then the orthoplanar spring will act as the return spring. So it should work pretty well. I might need to make it a little bit taller, and see where I colored it in because it looked like a little face, and that little tongue should flap up and down as the beam spring goes in and out. It's kind of fun, but yeah, you see that flapping in and out the tongue flapper key switch. Anyways, I gotta figure a couple different things. Getting that in there was a huge pain in the butt, and getting it on the ring was a huge pain in the butt. I think I'm going to make it two parts, so you just sort of snap it in place. But either way, it needs to attach to the center post somehow. But a bunch of things to work on. But it does feel nice. It feels pretty good when it works. But yeah, a few calculations to fix, a few more prototypes, and I should have something I can upload at least. But yeah, it works pretty good. I like it. I think this is gonna work out.